Look at Christian playing on the floor. Hey, buddy. Hi. Here. You want your toy? Here we go. You can get it. Good job. Look at you crawling. Good job, sweetie pie. A little bit farther. Look at our baby trying to crawl. Oh, it's okay. Why are you laying down? Christian. Christian. What you doing? There you go. Good job. Hey. He's crawling a little bit. I know. A lot of it. Yep. Okay. Okay, I guess he's done right now. Alright, say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Christian. See you later. Alright.